In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Power BI report to PowerPoint. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly what to click and why, so you can share your insights in a presentation-ready format with confidence. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer and load the report you want to export. Take a quick look at your visuals and pages to make sure everything is up to date. To get a PowerPoint file from Power BI, the report needs to live in the online Power BI service, so the next move is to publish it. At the top of Power BI Desktop, select Publish on the ribbon. When prompted, choose a workspace where your report should live. Pick the workspace that your team uses, or a personal workspace if you're just testing, then click Select to confirm. Power BI will upload your report. When the publish completes, you'll see an option to open it online. Go ahead and open your report in a web browser. You're now viewing the same report in the Power BI service. In the web interface, look to the upper ribbon and click Export. From the export options, choose PowerPoint. Power BI will start preparing a PowerPoint deck for you. This process converts your report pages into slides, typically as high-quality static images, which means the visuals won't be interactive in PowerPoint. That's normal and ideal for clean, consistent presentations. Once the file is ready, it will download to your computer. Open it in PowerPoint to review the slides. You can add titles, speaker notes, or annotations. Just like any other deck, this is a great way to present the latest numbers without worrying about filters changing during a meeting. If you'd rather have individual images for use in other documents or design tools, use the same export button and choose the image option instead. This gives you static image files of your report pages, which is handy for reports, newsletters, or custom slide designs. To recap, you opened your report in Power BI Desktop, published it to a workspace, opened it in your browser, and used the export menu to generate a PowerPoint. If anything doesn't appear as expected, make sure your report is saved before you publish, and remember that changes made in desktop need to be republished to update the online version. With that, you're ready to share your Power BI insights in a polished, presentation-friendly format.